next day, guys, and I did get some progress done. This door is done. I just need the bottom. This right here is done. There's some more dents on this. Besides this right here. On this side, I do have the top in. I still need to work on it a little bit more. And then there's this right here. That down there. There's one on this little edge right here. But right now, I am probably gonna go to the store. Go get what is it? Glue off spray, so I could take off all of that glue right here on the bottom from the badges and everything. So that's what I'll probably go do right now. Okay guys, it is the next day, and I do have a lot of progress done. And I just have one bedside on top to do. But other than that, oh yeah, some like little dents on the bottom, but my dad's gonna do those because they're not little, they're actually pretty big. So he's gonna do those. But right now I have the whole sides done. I just put some bottom on the other side real quick because I found another 2 dents. They're small. Because all these small ones, they're from like when you go to the store and like cars open their doors and like they just let it hit your car. So that's what most of these dents are from, which I'll show you. Like all these dents right here, like those, all these were like from like cars hitting it. Like all this, cars from hitting like the side of it and stuff like that. Same thing in the other side. Not right there, something happened right here, but like all those little ones right here, boom, all those are from like cars hitting it. Same thing as here, I found some little ones right here. And then that's the one that my dad's gonna do. My dad's gonna do on that right here, on the bottom. And I think I'm gonna let him check this one because this one feels kind of weird. I'm probably gonna start taking off the paint because the paint is chipping. This like with this here, like the chino eyes and the cat eyes, for some reason white came out the worst color, like the worst quality ever. You can never find these not chipping. So after that, I'm probably gonna start chipping off all the paint wherever I need to chip it off, and then hopefully we can spray primer today, and then that will be the end of the video. But other than that, let's get started. We didn't get the primer, but we did get like very far in the truck. It does need a lot more work, so that's why we didn't really primer it, because as you're gonna see right now, we almost took off all the paint on the driver's side. As you see, we took off all the paint right here. Just missing down there a little, but the door doesn't need it, right? Not right here. We're gonna take it off from here, up here, all the way around to part here. And then same as that way, go all the way around, boom, right there. And then right here and right there as well. And then this side will be ready for primer. Oh, I do gotta take off this paint right here as well. That's on the fender. And then I'm gonna continue it tomorrow, but this is gonna be the end of the video for today.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream.